How to allow app permission in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down and tap on any app. For example, Camera. Over here, you can see which apps have or do not have access to the camera. If you want to remove camera access from any app, then turn off the app switch as shown. For example, Drive. The Drive app will no longer have access to your camera. You can turn it on again if you want to allow access. Then, go back and tap on any other app. For example, Microphone. Repeat the same steps to allow or remove microphone access from the list of apps. Following these steps, you can easily allow app permission in iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.